Is it more convenient in the long run to have an aquaponics system or to be able to buy your own food at the shops? Well, look, that's a personal question. I mean, anything that you do involves a bit of effort. Okay, so I can tell you how easy it is, and even my biggest system, 5 minutes a day and I'm done. But I do need to do weekly, monthly maintenance, which I'm doing tomorrow. So things do need to happen. Is it worth it? I mean, I've got food security. I've got all of my own food growing in my yard. I've either got it in the weeping beds or my larger aquaponics system, and now I'm starting off my small one. When you get comfortable in building and running a small aquaponics system like this, you'll be able to then go, hey, I can grow more healthy food for myself and my kids and my family, and you'll look at a bigger system and you'll look more into gardening and how else you can become more self-sufficient. I'm sure I don't need to remind you, but bloody hell, it was stressful when COVID hit and everyone was panic buying. And people had to remember how to cook. I mean, if we wanted to take silver linings out of COVID, it's gotten people back into growing, and it's got people back into learning to cook again and not relying on everything fast food from the supermarkets. So silver lining there. But we want food security, okay? And for me, the convenience, I mean, of a little bit of work, as I said, once you get used to how to do the water quality testing, 10 minutes a week and that's done. You're doing the rest of your checks when you're feeding your fish and harvesting, testing your backup system and cleaning your pump again. It takes that, especially in a tiny system, that's only a few minutes. A bigger system, it will take a bit longer. It'll come down to your design, how good your design is, but a small little system, you're going to have food security in some areas. You won't be able to have everything. It's only a small system. It makes sense. You can't have complete food security here, but I live in I've got a small yard. I use my front yard, my backyard, everywhere, and we grow all of our own food, except for onions. I don't grow onions. But everything else, yeah. Is it convenient? Is it worth it? Absolutely. I know I know what's on my food, but I wanted to clarify that I know what's not on my food. I know that it's healthy. I know that it's awesome. I know it tastes good. I know who's touched it, where it's been, has it been contaminated with anything. I know all of these things. So that completely reduces my stress level down to I am eating healthy, clean, crisp food for me and my family. Is it worth it for me? Absolutely. Without hesitation. You need to work that out for yourself. Everything in life has some requirements. You need to do something for everything. So it works.